What's up, guys? It's Casey and welcome back to my channel.
Felt like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki.
So today we got a little hair video for you because my hair was giving crusty, rusty. And I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling really lazy and didn't want to wash my hair. Plus, it's time to soak these nails off. And if you're a nail girl and a natural girl, you know your hair is gonna get caught in your nails. So I decided to do a little style. It's been a minute since I've actually styled my hair. Usually I just kind of do a wash and go and call it a day. But I decided to take my old Perm set and turn it into this little Faux-Hawk, which came out super cute. It's fun, it's edgy. You can wear it for a date night or a night out with your girls or brunch or something like that. Before we continue this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you think of the hairstyle, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and get started.
All right, bestie, let's go ahead and do this. And yes, I am sick right now. So this voiceover sounded a little crazy, but don't worry about that. This is my old Perm set. This has been a couple of days of just actually not really taking care of it the way that I needed to, but that's neither here nor there. The first thing I'm going to do is start sectioning off my bottom piece. Now, I don't care too much for the parts to be like perfect. I'm not gonna lie, I do a lot of this with my hands. I just kind of use a rat tail comb for the sides, but I would suggest, making sure your parts are nice and clean because it gives you a really clean finish at the end, and also makes it a little less traumatic when you actually have to take out the scrunchies. So then what I do is I take a little curl refreshing spray, something really lightweight, and I spray the roots of my hair because I just need to brush just a little bit, just so that way I can get those pieces kind of flat. But I'm not taking the brush completely through my hair because I don't really want to disrupt the ends of my hair, the curl that might be left over. And then I take a little bit of gel, which I use the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I take my little hard brush, and brush it into a ponytail. Very simple, very easy. The scrunchies that I like to use, they don't have that little like wire or anything like that. I find that these are a lot better for my hair, and they're really stretchy. And apparently if you put them in boiling hot water, they do stretch back to the original size, which is really good. So I will link these scrunchies down below for you guys if you have like really thick hair like myself. So that is section 1. Pro tip is that you want to go ahead and pin the previous section down as best as possible to move that hair out the way, because when you're trying to put it in the ponytail, that hair will get caught up and it is just a mess. So I'm moving on to section 2. I do a total of 4 sections. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. And this is just a very repetitive process, right? So I went ahead and had that second section, went ahead, sprayed it down. This is the Miche Curl Refreshing Spray. I will link this down below. And then I go ahead and I use my unbrush because that was just the first brush that I can find to go ahead and just kind of detangle those roots a little bit, but once again, not disrupting the ends. However, if you disrupt the curl at all, it's okay, because we're gonna go ahead and like reinforce that at the end of this. Take the gel of your choice. I'm using a Wetline. Smooth it real good with your brush and place that bad boy in a ponytail. Very simple. I would say I like the scrunchies to be a little bit more on the snug side without feeling like I'm ripping my hair out of my scalp or feeling like I'm going to have the worst migraine, but you want it to be nice and snug. And then at the end, you kind of want to like pull the ponytail apart a little bit, to tighten it. But this is also going to allow the hair to kind of blend in with the previous ponytail without it actually looking like 4 ponytails. It's giving more of that Mohawk kind of look, you know what I'm saying? Now I am working on section 3, once again doing the same thing all over again. Spray, brush, gel, brush, ponytail. Very easy. This is such a cute style that you can do with old Perm set. I've done it with a twist out. It looks obviously amazing with like an old wash and go. I mean, the hair doesn't have to be old. You can, do it on freshly cleansed hair, but this is just something that I like to do right before wash day. I take the little side pieces out because I like a little curl right there by my sideburns, you know what I mean? And this is the third ponytail. Now, baby, this is an arm workout, okay? I will warn you, this is an arm workout, especially if you have a lot of hair like me. But now I am working on my very last section, this front ponytail. Now, this is obviously the one that you want the curls to look the absolute best because it is in the front of your face, okay? When people see you walking down the street, it's going to be like bang in your face because those curls are kind of giving like a bang moment, okay? So you want to make sure those front curls look absolutely gorgeous. But you're going to follow those same exact steps. If you have clips in, you know, just take those clips out, just start fluffing, get all that hair into place, and you can see it looks like a mohawk. But as you can tell, this is the reason why I said you want those parts to be nice and clean because it just looks really good on the side. Now I took my Kiss edge control because this lays the hair down real smooth, any flyaways, anything like that. So I placed that on my hair and just smoothed it real good with my brush as well as my fingers. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to redefining some of those curls that might look a little funky in certain areas. So you can spray some water and, you know, I don't know what happened, y'all, don't ask. But you can spray some water and then you can detangle some places that look really, really frizzy and just add some gel. Now, since this is a perm rod set, I kind of needed that coil effect, so I just curled it around my fingers. I wasn't going to go in with new perm rods or anything like that. It wasn't that big of a deal to me. But, like, if you have a wash and go, maybe you want to rake, you know, you just have to do kind of like a similar step as if you were doing it, like, freshly, you know, just so that way the curl can kind of look uniformed. And, yeah, I'm just going in and reinforcing any really bad sections, and then I'm gonna give very much ninja. Okay, I'm taking this edge scarf and I'm tying it around my head just to lay the sides real good while I do my makeup and everything else, and that's the end of that. Such an easy hair tutorial, and it looks really, really good, especially for a night out. Try it out.
Okay, guys, and that is going to conclude today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please try this style out, and if you do, tag me on any socials, okay? I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere, and if you need, the direct link is in the description box for you to check out. All these products will be linked in the description box as well. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and never forget, with no brain, there are no flowers. Bye!